Sorry, Tim Cook. I'm in charge now. Gotta check up on my businesses. Yo, you gotta buy this. This is the next Google, bro. Yeah, Mom?
Hey, could you buy some chicken for dinner tonight?
Yeah, I'll stop at KFC. Our Q3 profits were low. Hey, Joe, just want to let you know, I'm gonna take this one, all right? Thanks. That's weird. I don't see the instant doorstep delivery option for board members. Starting. Call Jess. Jess? Hey, my car's not starting. I'm gonna need a new Model 3. Can you come drop one off?
Who's this?
Can you have some respect? You asking me who this is? Did you say you're paying to trade? What? You f***ing scrub? Have you even heard of Robinhood? Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it. I'll take the Model 3. Give me the keys, because I gotta go.
You do know you have to pay for the car?
Are you serious? Do you know who I am? How much is this one? 1,800. No, with the owner discount, silly. What the heck? Why didn't that work either?